Welcome to Manage Licenses in WorldShare License Manager video. After you create your licenses in License Manager, you will be able to track and update your license details and the respective terms of use. Also manage the renewals, add or update the documents and links related to your license. Everything in one place and integrated with other WorldShare services. The first step to start managing your license is searching for it in the system. After logging into your License Manager account, click the Licenses tab on the top menu. Then on the left side panel, click Licenses. Here you can search for licenses you have created by selecting the search scope and entering your search term. In this example, I'm searching by license name and entering my search term, then clicking on Search. You can filter the result by titles, collection, license level, contract type, single or multiple vendors, license type, if it's standard, perpetual, trial, or temporarily free, license status, terminated, expired, current, or pending, and if it's signed or unsigned. This screen also allows you to select multiple licenses to use bulk actions. To change terms of use, add, edit, or delete terms of use, or export details. After finding the license you are searching for, click the respective link to open it. When you open the license, you can then edit the fields that allow changes and save it. Another option you have here is under License Actions drop-down menu. You can either clone this license to apply changes to the fields that don't allow editing, such as the license type. You can delete this license, or you can apply changes on renewal dates. Let's start with editing your license. Under the General section, you can change the name of your license. You can also change the renewal options by clicking the License Actions button, then selecting Renew License. The renewal options are automatic or manual renewal. You will be able to edit the end date by clicking the Edit link next to the End Date field. To select a new date, using the calendar icon, then click Apply button. You can also add or edit the cost involved with this license by clicking the Edit Cost link next to Current Cost field to enter or edit the amount. Under the Collections section, you can select collections to add to this license, or remove anything that is no longer related to this license at any time. For example, during the renewal of this license, you dropped one of the collections and replaced it by another collection. You can apply these changes here by removing the collection no longer covered, then searching and adding the new collection. Under the Vendor section, as an example, in cases when a collection passes from one vendor to another, you can either change the name of the vendor related to this collection by selecting the new vendor from the drop-down arrow, or you can use the Multiple Vendor option to add the new vendor without eliminating the current if you want to keep track of both vendors for a while. Under the Terms of Use section, you can apply changes to documentation, maintenance, responsibilities, rights, user access, and custom terms as needed to reflect the changes to your terms of use with your vendor. Under Documents section, you can upload any document related to this license. Start by naming your document in the Document Label field, then choosing and uploading your file, or you can delete or edit any uploaded document using the respective icon under Action column. Under Bookmarks section, you are also able to add or remove URLs. Remember to click the Save button on the top of the screen after applying any changes. Under the History section, you can keep track of all the changes applied to your license in detail. There are situations when you need to change or update information where editing is not allowed, such as the license type and start date, for example. In this case, you can clone your license to apply those changes. You start by searching and locating your license. Then under the License Actions drop-down menu, select Clone License. On Create a License window, select the type of license you want to clone: standard, perpetual, temporarily free, or trial, and the license level, collection, or title. Then click Continue. Apply the needed changes or updates and save your license. After cloning the license and applying the appropriate changes, It's important to remember that if the cloned license is replacing the original, then you need to search for and delete the original license to avoid duplicates. You can contact OCLC support, find documentation, and more training materials at help.oclc.org. Thanks for watching.